Hello YouTube! Welcome to the first of a series of tutorials for GameMaker. Well, what is this series going to be about? Well, this series of tutorials is going to be about scripting in GameMaker. So it's going to teach you everything you'll need to know in GameMaker. Okay, let's go ahead and first start off with making a sprite. Well, what is a sprite? Sprites are animated images inside your game. Let's go ahead and click Edit Sprite. Hang on for a second, let me resize this up. Dang it, I hate Windows 7. Anyways, now let's go make a new size. 32 by 32 is actually what I recommend. Okay, let's go ahead and edit. Let me go ahead and zoom in. I'm gonna really just make a real quick player. It's not gonna really be anything too fancy. It's gonna be a really crappy, quick player. Just now. L. Give them eyes. Now, let's go ahead and just click check mark. That check mark. Now, let's go ahead and center our sprite. Well, what does centering do? This is the point that your sprite will rotate around. We want the sprite to rotate around the center, so we select center. Or you left click anywhere inside the sprite and be able to select your rotation point. But we want the center, so let's go keep it at center. Let's call this sprite SPR_player. Left click OK. Make a new object. Okay. Now let's call this object OBJ_player. Okay, let's go ahead and give him the player sprite. Why do we need to give him the player sprite? Well, this is what this object will look like. If you do not give the object a sprite, you will not be able to see the object inside the game. So let's go ahead and add event. Keyboard left. Well, what did I just do? Add event keyboard left. Why? We only want this to happen whenever we hold down the keyboard left button. So let's go ahead and add some code into the keyboard left event. The code is in the control panel right here. Let's go ahead and drag that into the left event. Hang on. Now we want the object to be able to turn when we hold the left button. So type in direction plus equals, let's say, 5. Now type in image angle. Equals direction. Well, what did I just do? First of all, I set the object's direction that the object is going towards, increasing that by 5. Now, since I want the object to face the way it's going, I set the object's image angle to direction. Well, what is image angle? Image angle is the angle that the sprite is facing. So we want to set that to direction. Just going to click the check mark. Duplicate the event. To duplicate the event, right click it and left click duplicate event. Now add the keyboard right event. Now so all we have to do now is change the plus sign to a minus. Minus equals 5. In the right event, set it to minus equals 5. Now let's add a room. Right click rooms, create a room, and add the player into the room. Let's go and test the game. Okay, and now as you can see, the player can turn left and right, but he can't go forward and reverse. Now let's make the player go forward and reverse. To make the player go forward, first we need to set the friction. What is friction? Friction is what makes the player come to a slow, steady stop. If you don't add friction, then the player will keep on going at one direction without stopping. So we go to add event, create, add some code to the create event, type in friction equals 0.5. 0.5 is actually what I recommend. Just click the check mark, add event, keyboard up. Let's got some code in the up event. Now type in speed equals 5. Type in speed equals 5. This is how fast this object is going to be going. Since we want to go the same direction, GameMaker automatically takes care of the direction it's going. All you have to do is set the speed. Now go to add event, keyboard down, and type in speed equals -5. This will make the object go in reverse. What does this minus symbol do? Well, the minus sets the 5 numbers below 0. Okay, go to check mark, test the game once more. see how it looks so far. Now you see, you turn left and right, and you go forward and reverse. Now this is all I'm going to do in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to be able to add stats such as level, experience, and health. Okay, if you need any kind of GameMaker tutorial made, just message me or comment in the video and I'll try to get to you ASAP. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.